I'm going to first go in and change some of my values. Let's have a system that's running 1800 RPM. And we don't have any gearbox. Let's put a 1 there. We don't have an output gearbox either. Put a 1 there. Let's keep it at 5,000 PSI, but we want higher torque. 2,800 foot-pounds of torque. And 900, we'll leave that the same. Now you can see we have an error saying exceeds motor displacement range. Also, you can see that the calculations, the program had a difficult time calculating. You can see there's an NA, N in some of the fields, both in the pump and the motor. You can see all the pump values are also 0. So you know there's definitely an issue. Also, if you go down to our parameter checks, you can see there's several things that are outstanding. Pressure exceeding the pump operating limit, motor speed out of range, and the pressure exceeds the motor. So over here, though, we see that motor exceeds displacement range. If we want, we can click back into the how to use the tool. And I mentioned that there's some little help guides here. If exceeds motor displacement range appears, then a couple options could be increasing your output gearbox ratio or increasing the pressure if possible. So increase the pressure or increasing the output gearbox ratio. Let's go back and try one of these and see what we can do. Well, to increase the pressure, we're already at the max pressure of the continuous rating of the pump. So we're not going to be able to do that. But if we wanted to, we should be able to increase this output gear ratio. Let's increase it to 1.5. All of a sudden, now we've got a Gold Cup P30 running an M30. We're able to achieve the 900 RPM and at 2,800 foot-pounds of torque. So you can see, because we also have a output ratio in the gearbox, our hydraulic motor speed is not running 900 RPM anymore. It's running 1,350 RPM and stepping down to the 900 RPM output shaft on the gearbox.